Thank country people that plenty. Thank una big thanks for say una don she down for tori plenty. You don't enter for ESAWT for that side for Ngongam for Babenda. Now 3 people, owner 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where them kill them. Them shoot at the sleep straight for that side for Ngongam. Sabiseweti people they so die inside northwest and southwest. As a highway thing where they call out for country say Anglophone crisis. You know the green finish. So yesterday time where people they come up for all side for inside Cameroon for Palava waka on a peace waka way for some side it be hot and hot where police is shoot take gas for some side them kitu people them knock some people them take them go give them casting go inside our country. We see say that's on northwest and southwest now people then beat the die yesterday not be only inside Bamenda where they die yesterday. For side for Tikotu, then shoot man kill him yesterday. As how we not correct, so today for morning time, they enter for Lisoka for village inside Boya subdivision. Now 4 people them they kill them, they sleep straight. So now so how are they come for you? So we don't see picture where come up for that side for Lisoka. Sabi say waiting for morning time to read the enter for our ESA ide so some motor they don't burn them for that side for Munya. Sabi say Munya they na inside Boya. And as how one day yesterday so they don't burn motor they ask them who burn motor who do the thing to the way international them enter for some compound for that side they shoot 1 2 3 4 5 people them they kill them. As how they don't shoot now 4 people they kill them. Mommy where they so you don't see how they shoot the 2 boy picking they kill them. Mommy 2 4 die na die now to the way they enter for air from that side for Boyam. One man they for that side, they check sense fine. Uno sabi say weti, whether na who do waiting happen, waiting not happen. But when I sabi say weti, so people then they die that inside Anglophone region, inside country as how war the green finish. Inside Tori today, wait will get time for winner. We will show winner palava for match for Sawa will not be green show winner for yesterday and even today for morning time. We will be see Tori for 8 o'clock inside Equinox. Today the way we get them today na palava match inside side for Bafang. Yes, we go now for side for Upper Camp division for side for West region inside country. We go come back inside Douala show we na one day we not fit show and yesterday. Even show we na how we go stand to it be inside side for Anglophone region the inside country. Sabi say wetin goes down it be like nothing for people the way they inside northwest. People the way they inside southwest, but 7 yesterday, how we palava for waka for vex be people them not be agree upon their place for work. People them not be agree upon their place for setting them. Trouble will be there inside country. Now rent to inside the morning time where don't enter people at their house for that side for Yaoundé. All they want them now inside to reach today country people una come good. Abikapo inside Douala country people them na time for Tori big pie talk today na say weti that hand way it ever go for mop so na that same hand way it go sometime too if it be when na that same hand way it go always dey pass for anus. That mean say weti that hand way it so go for mop so it go fit be na that same hand way it go sometime pass for anus. Sabi say weti na big pie talk that way come up for some side. For Kupe Maninguba, na side for Southwest. With the tank country people there for that side, plenty other country people they run the same with big pipe talk. Sabi say weti na one by one way we dey take am. We not fit take 2 for one day. Only today so today for radio where it go be na 2 o'clock. We go take some other one. The Sabi say na time where it go be na time for radio. It go be na the one way we na 2 fit call Nak Tori, but una way una dey na only for TV. Una fit put una thing for Facebook comment section there. Sabi say all 2 way una never write am for there. Capo and people there inside Equinox Tori house them they ever can see am na after. Country people na time now we go for the Nak Tori. We side with the South Tori today. We the take we na go na for side for Upper Camp division na for West region inside country. Palava for match. You know been leave that side. Sabi say yesterday. Tori we before enter for I wa hear them and one way wa I it longs to take see am in be na one way we see how people them they stand for that side we take it to them they talk man they talk it to they talk we can't tell when I say this so for that side for Bafang palava for gree, it no be B. That means say wetin palava for say man push man, it no be B. Na say so only for evening wey one man for that side Andre Ngano he could give we two face for thing wey be happen for that side. See na man for Okada that he dey pass, na Kitu people that dey pass, he dey pass make Kitu people dey yap. He pass for corner dey make them yap. He dey go na for south people dey dey. They be already there for big square, yes, na big places inside Bafang. Una sabi Bafang. Na so them be Kitu people dey enter for that side. Palava for gas the imam. That means say wetin na tear gas the imam. People they run, one they don't they run again. If you hot for that side, even how people they run, so they say wetin thing wey they run, they run for here. Where Kitu they run imam for that side, they run, they so go for another side. They start gather for them. Sabi say one man for that side for Bafang. We say wetin. These people they start palava match inside Bafang. Waka plenty place they inside town for Bafang. Una sabi say Bafang is on a town na on a place where na headquarter for Upper Camp Division for West Region. And thing where they talk for them, I say wetin say they not only come out for Bafang, they come out for other subdivision them like Bana, like Banka, other place them inside Upper Plateau or Upper Camp Division. They start there for inside Bafang. They sing now them get flag. When they write placard, they talk to them. We will not sabi Kitu them. Tell them say wetin una sabi say go una be talk say man no come out. This thing na illegal matter wey una dey for outside, so the people they know they agree yet talk. Kitu them na a tear gas is scatter people. How we not correct people they scatter for that side, they still go for some side. We get the one way Kitu people they don't go cash people them and go put them for some side. Today it won't be for evening as how we to read the interview for side for Bafang. All man the way they be come up for outside, picking mommy and papa them, boy and get them. They come out all enter for side for Kitu their own house for side for Bafang say wetin. All man the way una don't hold them for here. They must come out or we will go sleep for here. Una no go sleep. If una lock them for here for go different side, we go broke door move them. Self service say wetin they go so the one they put other talk where they talk so Kitu people they see them, they move people the way they be hold them for that side, leave them. We go show una plenty other images. I be don't put some no comment for side for Bafang. You know green cam na so. That no comment if it be na the one way una see say people the way they will go lock them, how they don't leave them, the common population or people the way they come on, they shall say, oh, yes, they leave them. That means say, Tori way in for here na say wetin, man the way they be arrest them for side for Bafang, they will allow leave them only for last hour. Even how we will be now for night, so them believe them. Back for inside Douala country people, sabi say wetin, we will get time plenty for see how we be happen inside Douala. Now so we not going to talk. We will just leave with Namo. Una see that Simon no comment inside that side for Ndokoti. See how it be yesterday. Una not be agree look to yesterday or una not be get time for follow to yesterday. Mo una just see that no comment will be happen for that side for Ndokoti. Yes, na ndokodi da inside Douala una sabin ndokoti it be na different thing yesterday. Place where people never gather plenty. Una know say wetin for go for any side for inside Douala you must pass through Ndokoti because Ndokoti dey in a center and they ever talk say Ndukoti na the biggest Carrefour or the biggest road junction or a roundabout inside Cameroon and inside Central Africa. That means say wetin how Ndukoti never be yesterday, it can't turn be a different thing. One una dey see am so na for side for Mabanda to inside Bonaberi, yes, na for Douala for subdivision. That means say wetin people dey too be comot for that side for Mabanda for sharp morning time, even before the one for Ndukoti wey we can see am. Sabi say the one for Ndukoti we start around 10:40 something, but for Mabanda for 8 o'clock people dey be already comot. They dey march for that side for Mabanda, the one comot for main road inside Bonaberi. Myself say wetin Kitu people dey talk say wetin sabi say na illegal march. Governor be talk say e no get to hold. Una dey go inside Kitu people dey block the off that side. They say they wan go march. Kitu dey block. Una see how they block them. Una sabi say na one road where they take people go inside Mabanda for side for Bonaberi. They block for that side. E one day they say e wan be turn be na fight. Mami the way they say for that side for market for Mabanda, all the run leave their place for sale. Man they try for save na head. All man run comot go. People them too wey they be there for that side for Palava for march. Them say wetin they must also comot inside Mabanda, go for outside the inside Bonaberi for Palava for the march home. Whether them be dey plan for enter for town, we no sabi. But for last hour, na Kitu people they carry plenty of them. Go with them, go put them for back counter. Una see motor we carry them. Away Kitu people that motor black, so people they na inside the day for Baghdad Kitu motor. Them they carry them inside Mabanda. They pass. Except for Akwaye, Ubisi how they be carry. So other one them they pass it for inside Bonaberi for Mabanda. Sabi say wetin Mabanda dey honor for Douala for subdivision and other place inside Douala where the Palava be we hear say be there for that side for a sec. That mean for university for Douala be for side for Kamte Bepanda Palava for Mash in be there for them so carry people. But when I see how Palava goes and believe Douala, do one a douche municipal, sabi say na big play where with the chingchong they never say all kinds in the inside Douala, una no sabi Douala. Yes, it will be na ghost town. D1 to na Ndukoti market, ghost town it will be yesterday. Ghost town wait because no shop will not be open. Sabi say na only inside na west and south we never see the kind of way. Na normal day on a Tuesday, not be na even Sunday or any day where shop they lock so. Una see the one so na for Douala Central Market. Now we all place it don't be na lock so because we man them be the fear na fear. People them for buy and sell, man no be great take money for go market, man no be great one go up in the shop. Say if you go and come back, may they no enter for my shop, pipi Martin, they sabi how people whatever they just wanna say may this so man lock sense more. It is so they could enter for a shop carrying them. We even see the padman or the countryman inside the Central Market, Douala Central Market. It's a weti bad day. Few people the way they become for money time. For see Palava for do business, they want come up play the hot na hot. All man lucky place, begin to find a road for a house. That means say we see Palava for business inside Douala yesterday. It will be a ghost town. Man no be Greek come out. One day when they be Greek come out, we be na chopper them. Le whistle we be there inside Douala only for outside yesterday. Now for night we go back for house. Yes, we go come out for highway. I think they be beat down inside Douala city na for Douala Central Market. Sabi say for Marché Central for Douala when they see am so. Even for sharp morning time, other council people they be sabi say they so they could come back when man no go green come out. They come out for sharp morning time, broke all small shop them, makeshift structure the way they don't put them for that side. All the one they will plan so people the way they put them for play with council be talk say man no get to sell for day. They not broke them. Even the one the way they put them for road, they not broke them all yesterday. People they want even were commode, so one they want even yesterday so they don't broke that thing. They fear for commode. One day when they even tired for say they will come out go see how outside they could before they could check sense whether now for house for it correct for go or now for remember for they want go they don't see their small thing them small table the way they be put on for the setting them where people them for cancel they don't already come broke come why they broke come we hear say this so or to where they enter our ear and say with some of the people then they be put on inside road sabi say where you never go for inside New Bed for pass or Marché Central inside Douala. Where you know the big road where governor the brown make for that side, people they say na that's so for inside road. So if you worry na worry for day, yesterday they broke them. Today where they so thing they don't come back inside Douala Simo. Though we will come up for sharp, me I will come up for my house at the camp. I will see some Kitu people there again. They still there, but even now so I the knock to so for my back for Equinox here for down at the joy and I say what we that means say that police motor when a black one. Where the back and say mami water a day too for outside but say so people dey buy that thing dem activities dem business activity e dey go on for Akwa here today normally e dey go on for any side for inside Douala normally whether for the market people dey wey dey broke that thing yesterday dey go do am we no sabi but thing wey una get for know na say wetin even how e bin pass yesterday today Kitu people dey so dey for outside though the number no plenty like the one wey we see am yesterday. Me, I see Kitu people there with their big motor for Eko Public Daido for that roundabout. Time where I be come out for that side, I be come for work. So now with the yena wing one for down for Equinox here. We na roundabout, we na big place inside Akwa. They know they come now for we here. More than nothing say they come now for we. Yes, they pass now for pass for wrong point Mobibo na kwa. Yes, nothing that I want talk. Wow, when I see am so na palava mash na side for Baham. Wusa Baham de Baham Chuso de for side for West Region. How we talk palava for Bafang so. But Baham and Bafang them not then for the same place. Baham on then for side for Upper Plateau Division for side for West Region. Which be happen people there for Baham too they come up for outside. They say it don't take, it don't do, it is so them want to say making they change. What I want to change, who not sabi. But how we show na yesterday, we not see how Kitu people they come, they tell Baham people say waiting, Muna not come out. Whether they be go to tell them for front, we not see. But we are man too for 2 days for that side. So now so we go ask to say Ibilalade na how them not take Baham people them to put on for back counter or now waiting they happen for that side. If we hear something, we will come back to kill the knock today with you now. Yes, Madam, thank you. Plenty. We go leave that palava begin run with Itori na run. Now, so I want say me you take me arrested journalist before you go back for Tico. Me will take arrested journalist after you go back for Tico. Yes, take me another one for yes. Ma, thank you plenty. The my news producer na good mami. Una see so na country Tori man for inside Equinox. Inside Yaoundé how we go do Tori for go do a work correct. Them catch Kitu people they beat them sute. I waiting for hospital now. So another Tori man inside Yaoundé. This do want to work with La Nouvelle Expression newspaper. Them catch yesterday. Do want to never green leafy. That other man, yes, the other man we wanna see and so now the cameraman inside Equinox. Them whole yesterday. Them na come sute. It is so the one la mufi. We don't take it. Then take it go na for Wasapito. We na hospital. It is so. But they that means say what he come up for go do na work. We return and say what shame for the Kitu people them. Shame for Sikawati because. Yesterday we been a time where all man get for do work. Tori people they come up for see say waiting they happen for third country people. They know they come up for call people they say me wanna go do match or me wanna not do match. Governor be don't talk say me match not be. But now country people they want know whether people the way they talk say they go strong head do palava for match. They don't go or they never go. The one so now another Tori man they call in a Tama Jarvis where he work inside Douala here for another Tori household and my media prime. Sabi say waiting inside Douala yesterday he come out. Them whole year cameraman they never green leafy. The other man for Equinox our tell for Yaoundé for la last day so we don't do upon eye with them the leafy. But now so we don't talk so we not leave the matters how people them for here because say what them not be get right for Naki. So even when they talk say they work with Equinox, they see Naki for video where if I show una could hear self how way they talk they see Nakam. The other man, Natori man where the whole year we say the man is sitting inside demons for people they have and we at the sharp place because they want for a newspaper for them. Other man for fun. I want to see the palava for Tama Jarvis. Even people them for Camasage for Cameroon Association of English Speaking Journalists. They not talk say what for do journalism work or Tori work not been a problem inside country. Why be say Kitu Tori man come out see when I see the man so he went a close for journalists. He don't wear jacket where they write and for they press for front for back. That Kitu people there. Una no go school. Una see journalists so. They work for Equinox. He wear close for journalists microphone with a media organ where they exist. Una sabi well. Una they carry go na say una no go school. Una no they read. He don't tell una because say be the turn for English say every journalist the press so they no for write and I say he write and for French or for English. Na so they write them. Whether they do na French or na English. People there inside country they say it is so made they leave Tama Jarvis and the camera person. That other party man when I Lodovi where they talk say the whole inside Yaoundé country people they talk say made them leave them. Sabi say weti. All we be there for outside and for do work. Kitu people them we be respect and say weti. We wanna tell we how we be the work from the koti. When we stand for some place they talk say okay, Mona not stand so, Mona not do so. we dey work. If something no happen, we no go can take thing wey no happen begin dey tell tori country people dem. Na so e bin dey happen as how e bin dey happen. Governor dey talk say may be so, some people dey talk say may be so. Country people dem wey dey dey wey dey no be gree comot outside because fear be dey their heart. Dem be wan say wetin anything wey dey pass tori people dem dey go see am, dey can tori we comot as tori people dem for go see am for go tori people dem. Una dey hold dem dey beat and dey knack am so tey dey lock dem inside ngata. Country people e correct inside the country. Say so we go leave am. I go come back for that matter. We never is finish. This was so na Bamenda yesterday. Sabi say wetin sef how we palava for match. E bin dey be yesterday. Some people dem take some picture dem put am dey show am for social media say people don comot inside Bamenda. But that one be na be poporipo owa wetin na like talk. That mean say wetin man no be even get hard for comot go buy bread for outside Bamenda. Una sabi say Bamenda dey for thing wey dey call am say operation clean Bamenda. Una lockdown, una wetin finally sabi na say wetin man no dey gree comot inside Bamenda. Na our tori man na Fedeta can he dey inside Bamenda. He dey see am for we. He tell we say wetin man no be comot anything say waka for Bamenda. That mean say inside Bamenda be just dey na so. He dey show una all the street dem for Bamenda. Una sabi Bamenda. Me I no sabi me street dem inside Bamenda fine. He dey come so one say Ghana Street, say Commercial Avenue, say this other one. That mean say wetin other place dem e be na empty. Man e no be for day. So it is so Bamenda be dey na down. So that mean say wetin one way country people dey ask for country na say wetin Bamenda na number 3 weeks this. Una sabi say wetin town wey e dey so e don be lockdown na the 3rd week this. E don be so people dey chop na wetin one man no dey gree comot for outside. They could even work na wetin even if man get money wey e come be they don send am, they could comot buy thing in a how. That's suffer for Bamenda. E go finish na which day as how e don be as e be. We see here say dey so for Bamenda even how wetin be quiet all man be wan be inside house. So na 4 people dey shoot am for that side from Gongam. Dem kill am straight. 4 people dem shoot am kill am. People dey no dey gree comot thing dey no dey happen. Na only people dey die. Dem could die all finish. That's suffer go end na which day. People dey talk so dey cry. When me I dey talk so e dey so hard dey heavy. Because when they talk say person die no be dey say the person go come back. E just die na so. Country don be na the one way dey so they just shoot people there anyhow. Mo na even see the one for Tiko. Yes, Momo will come back for Tiko attack. Yes, for talking palava so for yesterday. Show me that one for Tiko. Ma tell country people there's something. Attack for Tiko. Where it will be just that so yesterday. When I sabi say wetin inside northwest and southwest, people dey no be do that palava for match yesterday. But inside Tiko people dey cry. Na countryman that way they don't carry and where they don't shoot he. The one it is so never kwara. But man the way even a man when a driver man na he sleep for down that he don't go come back again. He so they shoot the kill him yesterday for Shasha morning time for Likumba for Tiko. We sabi Tiko very well. How you leave Tiko so they climb off of Mutengene so only for update for that Likumba so they finish it. People then when they shoot it will not sabi man to be a driver for Dingungu they shoot it. He get it unlucky they shoot it na for leg. I will leave moto go jam the house so he even come out so he never quarrel we say this so they don't take you go hospital. Man wey be dey drive the big motor but taxi driver wey be the driver taxi wey una see am so they should see bullet. Nothing this way dey inside northwest and southwest na common. Good wish is not even there. Na bullet na people dey see all time. Man just take am whether na who dem or dey charge gun. He will come hard vessel or na wetin dey happen o shoot am kill am o country people kill am no be say una no be hear how wey the 5 association of women dem inside northwest and southwest northwest women task force women dem for CBC women dem for PCC other women dem for UN and wetin dey be talk say ceasefire dey be talk na say una dey keep dey plenty so for that side for Tiko na so we be so cry we be yesterday. Northwest and southwest dey no be dey for palava for match but palava for anglophone crisis e make dem think dey bad na bad how we be bad inside Bamenda and for side for Tiko. Me say so Tiko na inside Fako division wey e dey so the thing be happen sharp morning time yesterday. Na a taxi that e dey so don kwara whether the taxi dey go put am for which side o na man wey get woman wey get pikin o that one we no sabi dey finish yesterday. They say wetin e just dey pass so gun comot for bush. That mean say man e no go work around for day again. If na with the people the way na driver them or na civilian the way war in the fight now inside northwest and southwest. So it is so people they fear. That means you know go comot and sabi that when man just comot for Tiko they go to school inside Boya with fine coming back. Now so you come on, if you say this so gun go catch you for road, the thing go end at which day? Sabi say wetin? The one hour don tell una so say wetin tikore na inside side for Fako. Wetin e dey see bad inside Fako na bad because say wetin so for morning time one week up with the year say so some people dem don burn motor inside Munya. Una sabi Munya well for Boya. Now so you want the year she don dey ask wetin now they don burn motor. Dem don catch the people dem Kitu don do investigate or na who dem we see na picture say dey so 4 people dem they gun e don enter there they sleep straight for the soccer so for the morning time so for the morning time say they don shoot am today. We see mamitu e die body dey for the picture yes wey on man get am with phone that mean say wetin that mami on we hear say dey so no be say dem shoot the mami see how they don put gun inside e 2 pikin dem so the para mamitu die. Country people una fit imagine thing wey dey happen inside country e go end which day? Dem dey cry peace e dey say people dey no dey hear palava the peace wey dey cry say peace or ceasefire. Dem dey have ceasefire fire dey increase na increase. Sef inside Yaounde their own kind problem the way they get am na water so how we hear say we dey so water don wake up enter for house dey inside Yaounde so for the morning time today na some quarter that inside Yaounde wey we hear say the rain e don fall today yes enter for the house dem. Sawo una dey see am so na sawo dey call am say wetin na damas so inside Yaounde una wey una sabi Yaounde correct owewe na mami and pikin that iwola na for hand yes so before time wey we dey for Douala enter for house dem today so na inside damas inside Yaounde we rain e fall to enter for people their house we dey so dem dey deal with the rain for that side. Now so we go take with our show na the palava too say wetin people dem for that side for Manjo na me say wetin for side for Mungo division e dey so dem too they don get their one way they never call am say wetin na customary court palava that me say their own customary court e don come be nya that me say they no go comot go with palava for cultural matter or na wetin for custom matter dem for say make they go reach right from Konsamba before e dey happen for them. That mean say wetin dem if they get their own palava say tradition never talk say when man this so if man cheat man a woman or if man touch man e thing how we go do am so for palava for tradition una sabi wetin be customary or other kind thing dem go look at am inside side for Manjo e no go be say make they comot go for side for Konsamba na so our man Oga Jakino take eye see am for that side. Muna yeti wey the people the way they be go put them say that them go to look up palava customary for that side them tell our man Jakino muna take hear am.
We don't accept say we get to do everything for this court may go ahead. So yes, as you said, there's some big advantage for we because first time anybody for people come out Manjo can't judge for Konsamba. Now we see and see there's some big advantage don't get for we for Manjo because everybody for Manjo now it will get for the city on judgment for inside Manjo and it will go out again.
What we will get for work if we say every way brother wey dem fit born pikin wey that pikin dem don forget am say dem no get the etat civil dey try dey near we say we all will conjugate the same force say that pikin tomorrow that etat civil go help dem for go school the two dey been the twin people wey dem dey for this town today one e go be na we own advantage people dem no begin grab again say dem dey worry their skin begin come shooting from Konsamba and with the same judge e dey for.
Yes, na palava that sabi to say wetin before we wan talk the palava we don hear say dey so palava for back to school e don touch that side for Kumba that mean na for Meme division for side for Southwest. We go come back with that picture them because time e don dey catch we but na big man for day wey na Dio for side for Kumba 2 wey don call all you people dem say wetin make dey check sense on how they go see say make school e go back for all side for inside Kumba 2 and they could make her make grow inside Meme division for Southwest. One man dey with the Joe for that side for inside the hall. He will come back. Side boy, where he could don't come back with other thing there, we could show him tomorrow. Now so we go see now the one way we don't get them just nana so. They don't give me the book when I see how my head be there for them. I will try for see how when they give me because Palava the French. If they worry married and for French how they just can't give me the book now so. Il a été retrouvé et conduit à la télévision Equinox un petit garçon d'environ 4 ans. Il se nommait Mohamed. Il habitait le quartier Moringa. Sa maman se nommerait Faté et vendeuse des piments. Son père se nommerait Raimatu ou Romadou. Il a été retrouvé à total de Galbonanjo. Toute personne qui le reconnaîtra, le petit Mohamed, et prié d'informer ses parents de venir le chercher à la télévision Equinox, au radio Equinox. Yes, I don't try for now how it be. That means they say the pickings so so. Some people they don't see how we don't lost the carry bring out for inside Equinox TV and radio. He talks with his name na Muhammad. Imami they say na Pepe. We imami name na Fatih. He talks say Ipa. Yes, na that name way at the Siam. They say that woman not right and fine. So I know sabi that name. If we na see the pikin, so we don't know he. We na fit tell papa imami they say they so that pikin we don't lost. They with we for here for Equinox. May they come. Take that picking, go for us. Yes, service to the community. Nothing that would they do. Country people, I don't finish for today. We na hold am tight. Thank you na plenty. I thank Mami, Madam Wafo, we be they say man not Tori, me Tori they fine. They thank Malis them too, and plenty other technicians the way they work, they push machine for same work. It they fine. Not be me wanna do am country people. Una too, una be there with we so the thank we now.